If you just can't get a print to start and stick down, you can put this painter's tape down, and it provides a better surface. You know, if you've got oil or from your fingers or whatever in your build plate, that's one way to get it started. Also, just slow it down. You know, I'm running at 30%, so that'll get it to stick and start correctly. And if it doesn't, I'm going to pick this whole thing up and huck it into the dumpster, because this is about try number 15 to get this to go. Anyway, I wanted to show you guys the dirt sample holders. So the top here, USA Dirt Samples, last state, Washington, D.C., first state. And I haven't trimmed the adhesion brim off of this yet, off of any of this. But then this is the actual holder. So you put 48 of them in the bottom, 49 and 50 go up here, Washington, D.C. And, you know, this is just dished out and hollow to save a little bit of material. But you just glue that on the top. And then this Lazy Susan base. I printed this one solid. This one's infill. It doesn't really matter because you're not ever going to see it. But then you get these 3-inch Lazy Susans. And all that stuff will be down in the description along with the vials. And what I do is I sprayed self-etching automotive primer on these lids, and then I used a paint marker on this one and a Sharpie on that one. Focus! And it worked out pretty well. So then you just glue this Lazy Susan base into the bottom here, and then you just put some adhesive on this, put that on top and line it up, and then you can rotate it. So that is the 3D print stuff for it, and you can get this on Cults 3D. I'll put the links to all this stuff in the description.